It's PROPtober!
Or at least it was! Hey everybody, Adam back again here with the PROPtober giveaway. By now you probably know what the deal is. This past month, every week, I've been picking 2 winners to give away some props to, and this has been the last time, or this past week was the last week. So I'm here to announce the winners, and I just want to say thanks everybody for commenting and getting in on this, and it's been a good time. Oh, by the way, I do apologize that this is actually Tuesday that this video is coming out on and not Monday. It's supposed to come out on Monday. I wanted to, but I could not because I was traveling and stuff and life and things. So here it is. And the final winners of the PROPtober giveaway are from YouTube, JoseFPV, and Instagram, TimmyBoyyHere. So congratulations you guys. Timmy Boy, maybe these props will help you with your 3D printed twin boom pusher airplane that I saw you got going on. That looks pretty cool. If you've won, email me at rcwithadam@gmail.com with your full shipping information, and I will send these props out to you. Well everybody, this has been a fun time. Hopefully we'll have more giveaways in the future. I just want to say thanks everybody for subscribing and entering in the giveaways. There were not many people entering in the giveaways because my channel is just teeny tiny right now. And so you have a really good chance of winning. So if we do another giveaway, be sure to get in on that. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for more videos and hopefully more giveaways. Be sure to like this video if you want to see more giveaways, and also comment and let me know what you think of the giveaways, or what other kinds of things like that would be fun. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to this channel for fun and helpful videos about RC related stuff. My name is Adam. I'll see you next time.